awesome experience with reading the Bible.
Thank you.
Thank you, David. So I just wanted to go through Isaiah. Today we're going to cover Isaiah chapter 3. So as you can see this map, you can see Judah and Israel. So at this time when the prophet Isaiah means salvation from God. So when Isaiah was also sharing his prophecy, so at this time, this Green Empire, Assyria, was going to attack the northern kingdom of Israel. So the northern kingdom of Israel was eventually collapsing due to attack from Assyria from the north. So you can see below Israel, there is the southern kingdom of Judah from the King David. So the southern kingdom of Judah was under enormous pressure because Assyria was attacking the northern kingdom of Israel. So therefore, basically, Isaiah is talking about the corruption of the nation. So at this time, there was social injustice in Israel and Judah. So not only the kings, but the political society as a whole was going through a corrupt social injustice. So that's what Isaiah is talking about. With this map, I'm going to read Isaiah chapter 3. So Isaiah chapter 3, so God is basically sharing his word as David shared. The Bible is the book of God's words. So for the Isaiah chapter 3, judgment on Jerusalem and Judah. A man will seize one of his brothers at his father's home and say, "You have a cloak, you be our leader. Take charge of this heap of ruins." But in that day he will cry out, "I have no remedy. I have no food or clothing in my house. Do not make me the leader of the people." Jerusalem staggers. Judah is falling. Their words and deeds are against the Lord, defying his glorious presence. The look on their faces testifies against them. They pray their sin like a Sodom. They do not hide it. Woe to them. They have brought disaster upon themselves. Tell the righteous it will be well with them, for they will enjoy the fruit of their deeds. 자, 이사야서 3장 말씀입니다. 그날에 그가 소리를 높여 이르기를 나는 고치는 자가